Welcome back everyone to this another video of learning maths. I think we've reached exercise 5.3 in chapter number 5, that is arithmetic progression. I hope you guys are enjoying it because quite frankly I am enjoying it. Okay, English is my subject. I teach English, but I also teach math because I have an engineering background, and math was like not exactly a favorite subject of mine, but I really enjoyed doing it. And I can teach, I can make students understand concepts of mathematics that usually students find it difficult to comprehend and understand. So here we are in exercise 5.3. This is what I'm going to solve. So let me just do one thing. Let's go. We'll take it in the side. Okay. This and this. Okay. Let us zoom out a bit. This is here. This is here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, mathematics is something I worked because I scored I think 98 in 10th, and how much did I score? And it was I think 84 in 12th. Okay. And engineering, for those of you who have done engineering, they know we solve math 1, 2, 3, 4. Things start getting crazy towards the end, but fine. Chalo, all right, we'll focus on this chapter, that is arithmetic progressions. I hope you guys have the textbooks with you. Let us first solve this. All right, so this is exercise 5.3. Let us start writing. Okay, it's blue. Fine, I can make do with blue. Chalo, all right, we only know one formula, that is sum of numbers. What is the formula for sum of numbers? Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula that we learned. We learned another formula, that is an, or somewhere it is written tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. What is the other formula that we learned? If you know the L, that is the first term of an arithmetic progression, and L, that is the last term. If you know both of these and you know the number of terms, then you can simply just find Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus L. These are the three formulas that we have learned so far. And any question that you come across from this chapter will be a manipulation of these three formulas. That's it. Nothing more than it. So right now, I would recommend that you get out your textbooks, take a rough notebook and a pen, and solve these questions with me. That is how you will understand it properly. If you simply just watch this video with the purpose like, okay, I'm simply just going to revise Harsh is solving the question and I'll just look at it, that might be good for, let's say, last minute revision for your exams. But right now, since we are learning the topic, I would recommend that you take out your notebooks, pen, and start solving with me. So without any further delay, let's start solving the questions. We'll do this one. Find the sum of the AP of the following APs. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the second one. Okay, and then the rest of them you can do it because all the questions are based on the same formula, that is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 to 12 terms. Okay, whenever you get a question like this, first of all, it is very important for you to determine what exactly is given to you. 12 terms meaning you have been given the value of n. You know the value of a, that is minus 37, that is the first term, but we do not know d. How do we calculate the d? D is the common difference. You be careful because there are some negative signs involved. So minus 33 minus of minus 37. This is how you will find D. Minus of 33 plus 37. So that gives you plus 4. So common difference is plus 4. So now you have D is equal to plus 4. Okay. Now they're asking you to find the sum. So sum is Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula that we know. Value of n is given as 12. 2 into a is minus 37 plus n minus 1. N is 12. So 12 minus 1, 11 multiplied by d is 4. Keep in mind right now it is positive, so we have only taken positive 4. If the d is negative, you have to put it with sign. Most of the students, they make mistakes in signs, that is positive or negative. That is where there is filtration of marks. Okay, fine, we'll simplify this. 2 6 are 12, so that gives you 6 minus 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, plus 44. Now minus 74 plus 44 is minus 30, I think. Please keep on checking the calculations. Should be correct. So this is minus 180. So this is the answer for the first one. Second one, not the first one, second one. This is how you will do all the questions. All right. Yeah, because all the rest of them are very similar. Find the sum. So you only need to use this formula. We'll come to the second one. Let me just erase this. All right, let's move on to question number 2. That is, find the sums given below. Okay, I think I'll do the third one. Let's try the third one. Minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, and the last term is minus 230. So we know A is equal to minus 5. Common difference D is equal to minus 8. Minus of minus 5. That gives minus 8 plus 5. That should give you minus 3. So we know the common difference. We know the first term and we know the last term. That is minus 230. So there is only one formula that we have, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So we'll write minus 230 is equal to a is minus 5 plus n minus 1. Common difference is minus 3. Okay, minus 230 is equal to minus 5 minus 3n plus 3. It's yeah. So minus 230 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 230 plus 2 is equal to minus 3n minus 228 is equal to minus 3n. Negative is cut. 228 upon 3 is equal to n. Is this divisible? 3 7s are 21, 3 6 are 18. So we know that n is equal to 76, meaning 230 is the 76th term, right? Now we need to find the sum. We have a, we have d, and now we also have n. Okay, let me make some space. All right. So now we also have n. So what is our formula for sum? Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula that we have. N is 76 upon 2, 2 into, what is the first term? Minus 5 plus 76 minus 1 is 75, and common difference is minus 3. Let's see. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So 38 multiplied by minus 10 minus 3 5s are 15, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1, 22. 38 multiplied by minus 235. Let me just calculate the answer. This is a multiplication. 235 to 38. 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, plus 1 10, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 28, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 2 18, 0, 8 plus 5 13, 9, the minus 8930. This is the answer for question number 2. It was rather a lengthy question, but this is how you're supposed to solve question number 1 and question number 2 itself. Let's move on to question number 3. Alright, what happened? Chalo. Might be slightly, yeah. Now this is rather a jumbled set of questions. Let's see. Let's do the first one. A is equal to 5. Common difference is 3. An, we don't know. One of the term is 50. Find n and Sn. Okay, so we only have two formulas to play with. An is equal to a plus n minus 1d. An is 50. 50 is equal to a is 5 plus n minus 1. D is 3. Okay. 50 minus 5. 45 is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 3. The 3 goes over here in division. 45 divided by 3 is 15 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 16. As simple as that. So we know the total number of terms in this arithmetic progression is 16. Now what is the question asking? We found n. You simply just need to find Sn. Again simpler. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Put the values. 2 into 5 plus n is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. Multiplied by common difference is 3, right? So 2 8s are 16. 8, 5 2s are 10 plus 15 3s are 45. So 55 multiplied by 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 440 is the answer. Let's do another one. Let's find something that is different. Let's do the fourth one. A3 is 15, yani a plus 2d is equal to 15. Here it is given A3, third term you can write it as a plus n minus 1d, n is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So a plus 2d is equal to 15. S10, sum of 10 numbers is given, that is 125. Now we must find d and a10. D and a10. Okay. Let's write this. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the only formula that we know. S10 is 125 given in question. 10 upon 2, 2a plus 10 is n. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9d. Okay, let me see what I can do with this. 2 5s are 25 5s are 125. So we have 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Okay, this is a question of equation in two variables. A plus 2d is equal to 15. So we can write a plus 2d is equal to 15, and we have 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. I'll simply just multiply this by 2. So 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So far so good. I'll change the sign. Positive becomes negative, positive becomes negative, positive becomes negative. Shoo. Minus 5d is equal to 5. So d is equal to minus 1. So I've found the common difference now. D is minus 10. So I need to find the 10th term, a10. So you can write a10 is equal to a plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. 9d. So we know d is minus 1. What else do we know? We just know d. So, okay, let's put d in this equation and find a. A plus 2d is equal to 15. D is equal to minus 1. So a minus 2 is equal to, d is minus 1. I'm not sure. Yeah, d is minus 1. Is equal to 15. So a is equal to 17. So we now have a that is equal to 17 plus 9, and d is minus 1. 17 minus 9, which gives you 9 plus 8 is 17, right? So 8. A10 is 8. All right. Let's do the last one. The rest of it you can do it as homework, or I cannot solve each and every question because almost all of them are of a similar kind. Unless and until a question is like too difficult for students to solve, I will I will teach the basic concept, and then you can try solving the question, and then again come back to this video, and you can put it up in the comments if there is anything that you want to suggest. Okay, fine, I'll do the last one. Rest of it you can do as homework. Let's see. So this time last term is equal to 28. Sum is given as 144. And there are total 9 terms. N is equal to 9. Find A. This should be fairly easy for you because there is a direct formula for this. Sn is equal to n upon 2 A plus L. So we know sum 144 is equal to 9 upon 2. We don't know A, but we know the last term, that is 28. Fairly simple. Not so much now, is it? I think this number goes by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 6 are 54. Then 2 goes in multiplication over here. 16 2s are 32 is equal to A plus 28. A is equal to 32 minus 28, which is 4. So I think the first term is 4. That's it. That's it for this video. In the next one, we move ahead in this exercise of 5.3. Thank you for watching.